We are dealing with cones. Yesterday I explained what is a quadric cone and how to find the equation of the quadric cone. In cones there are two types. One is right circular cone and oblique cone. And this is separate topic. We consider this one later. That is right circular cone. Now we consider any cone, oblique cone. What do you mean by oblique cone? What is the difference between right circular cone and oblique cone? In case of right circular cone, vertex is on the perpendicular from center of the guiding curve to this vertex. That is, vertex lies on perpendicular from center of the guiding curve. But here, vertex is, this is the vertex and this is the center of the guiding curve. Therefore, this is height here, this is height, but this is height. One more thing is, this right circular cone, in this case of right circular cone, this is called semi-vertical angle. That is angle made by this, what is this? Angle made by the generator with the fixed line. It is the fixed line is always same. But in this case, this is the fixed line. We can take angle made by the generators are different. This angle is different, this is different, this is different. But here, see, these angles are same. Angle made by the generators with the fixed line is same. That is called right circular cone. This is oblique cone. And how to define a cone? Definition may be asked. What is cone? How to define? Cone is, it is the locus of a line passing through a fixed point. And one more thing is that line intersect a given curve or it may touch given surface. That is the definition of a cone. All these things I have explained. And how to find equation of the quadric cone? We are dealing with only quadric cone. What do you mean by quadric cone? Here the cone is defined as surface generated by a line passing through fixed point and intersecting a curve. And that curve is called guiding curve. If that curve is a conic section, general second degree equation represent a conic section. If that curve is a guiding curve is a conic section, then the cone is called quadratic cone. And equation will be quadratic in XYZ. Because equation of the curve may be of any equation of the cone may be of any order depending on that surface, depending on the guiding curve. But we are dealing with only quadric cones. That means the guiding curve is always a conic section. Already I solved some 2-3 problems. I solve one more and then I explain what is enveloping cone of a sphere. Now I solve one more problem. Find the equation of the cone whose vertex is 1, 1, 1 and whose guiding curve is x square plus y square is 4 and z is equal to 0. Guiding curve is this. How do you find the equation? What is the cone? It is a surface generated by a fixed line. Surface generated by a line passing through a fixed point and intersecting the given curve. It is the point, vertex, and this is the guiding curve. First we write equation of a line passing through 1, 1, 1. It is x minus 1 by L is y minus 1 by M is z minus 1 by N. This is equation of the line passing through 1, 1, 1. Let us take this as 1. Now this line touch the plane at the point z is equal to 0. Therefore substitute z is equal to 0. You will get point of intersection of the line, point of intersection of the line and the plane z is 0. So x minus 1 by L is y minus 1 by M is minus 1 by L. Therefore x is given by see, you have to solve now. X minus 1 by L is minus 1 by N. What is x? 1 minus L by N. What is y? Y is 1 minus m by n. And what is z? Z is 0. This is the point where this is called generator. This generator meets the plane z is 0. But this point lies on the curve. It lies on x square plus y square is 4. Therefore, 1 minus L by n whole square plus 1 minus m by n whole square is equal to 4. Now what is this? This is the condition for the line 1 to become this is the condition for line 1 to intersect this. Intersect the given conic section. Now eliminating LMN from 1 and 2, we get equation for this line. This is the generator and locus of the generator is a cone. Locus of the generator is a cone. Generator means it passes through fixed point and it intersects this curve, this conic. Now by eliminating LMN from 1 and 2, we get locus of 1 and that is called equation of the cone. And that will become the equation of the cone. Now how do you eliminate LMN from 1 and 2? Now see here, from these two we write what is L by n. Then these two write m by n. Therefore we get 1 minus what is L by n? L by n is x minus 1 by z minus 1. This is square. Plus 1 minus m by n. What is m by n? M by n is y minus 1 by z minus 1 square is equal to 4. Correct? Is equal to 4. Now simplifying this, we get equation in xyz, quadratic equation, and that is equation of the cone. Now therefore, next step only simplification of this. How do you simplify? Z minus 1 minus x plus 1 whole square plus z minus 1 minus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 into z minus 1 whole square multiplying by z minus 1 whole square both sides, and z minus 1 is taken LCM here. Therefore z minus x whole square z minus y whole square is equal to 4 into z square minus 2z plus 1. Therefore x square plus z square minus 2xz. Only simplification. Next step, plus y square plus z square minus 2yz is equal to this. Therefore x square plus y square minus 2z square minus plus 4 minus 2. Am I correct here? Minus 2xz minus 2yz minus 4. One more term, z term is there, plus 8z minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 8z minus 4 is equal to 0. What is this? This is the required equation. It is the equation of the cone. I think you followed how to solve this type of problem. The problems are easy but important from examination point of view. You may expect this type of problem. Find the equation of the cone whose vertex is given and guiding curve is given. Next is enveloping cone. Enveloping cone of a sphere. First I explain what is enveloping cone of a sphere. Now suppose this is the sphere. Sphere is three-dimensional. It is in the space. And suppose this is the point. Coordinates are x1, y1, z1. And from this point, draw a tangent like this. Tangent to the sphere. Now, the locus of this tangent line from a point to the sphere will be a cone. Why it is a cone? Because you have to consider the, what is that? You have to consider locus of the line, but they must be tangent, and all that line should pass through this point. This point. Tangent from this point, and tangent means they just touch the sphere. They pass through this point, touch the sphere. These are the lines. And what you get here? Can you realize it is a cone? This is a cone. And this is called enveloping cone of a sphere. Enveloping cone of a sphere. Therefore, what is enveloping cone of a sphere? Definition may be asked. Enveloping cone of a sphere is, it is, or we define like this, the locus of a tangent passing through a point to a sphere is a cone, and that is called enveloping cone of the sphere. Now the problem is to find, we find the equation now. To find the equation for enveloping cone of a sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Find the enveloping cone of a sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is a square, from the point x1 y1 z1. Now this is the derivation. We derive the equation for, and then we use this as a formula. And objective questions can also be formed on this topic. I explain what are the objective questions. First, see, we have to derive this and we will get a formula, and that formula can be used for making objective questions. Now derivation is like this. What is the derivation now? Find the enveloping cone of a sphere from the point x1 y1 z1. Now this is the sphere. This is the point x1 y1 z1. Now consider a tangent line. I take this as P. PQ be the tangent line. PQ be the tangent line. And Q is xyz. Consider a tangent line from P which touches the sphere at the point R, and Q be any arbitrary point on this line. This is Q. XYZ be any arbitrary point. Now what is the problem? Find the locus of this line. What is the condition here? Line must pass through x1, y1, z1, and it just touch the sphere. It should not intersect the sphere. Intersects means a line intersects the sphere at 2 points. But here condition is the line must touch the sphere. Using that condition, we find equation for this locus of PQ. Suppose Q x y z be any arbitrary point, and suppose this what is that? PQ tangent line, that is R divides the tangent line in the ratio k is to 1. Then R divides PQ internally in the ratio k is to 1. So we proceed like this. P is a tangent line from the point P, or PQ is a tangent line from the point P. R is the point of contact of the sphere and the line, and suppose this point of contact divides tangent in the ratio k is to 1. Then what is R? How do you get R? R is, we apply section formula. See, the scheme of section formula is like this: k is to 1, x1 y1 z1, and it is xyz, and the formula is like this. This is scheme of the formula. I use this as a scheme. What is the section formula? Kx plus x1 upon k plus 1, ky plus y1 upon k plus 1, kz plus z1 upon k plus 1. This is coordinates of R. It is bisection formula. Now it lies on 1. I take this as 1. Therefore, kx plus x1 upon k plus 1 whole square plus ky plus y1 upon k plus 1 whole square plus kz plus z1 upon k plus 1 whole square is equal to a square. Now what do you have to find out? We have to find out the locus of PQ. How to find locus of PQ? PQ must touch the sphere, but it should not intersect the sphere. But we have taken R is a point of contact of the sphere and the line, and we have obtained by R by this one. R divides PQ in the ratio k:1. We have obtained this, and we have substituted this in equation of the sphere. This is quadratic in x. Simplifying, we get kx plus x1 whole square. I write simplify like this: k square into x square 2k xx1 plus x1 square plus k square y square 2k y1 plus y1 square plus k square z square 2k z1 plus z1 square is equal to a square into k square 2k plus 1. This is simplifying, we get this. Now I write this as quadratic in k, or it is a quadratic in k. See, simplifying, we get x square plus y square plus z square into k square. X square plus y square plus z square into k square plus, what is the coefficient of k? 2 into xx1 yy1 zz1 minus a square into 2k, coefficient of k, plus what are the remaining term? Plus x1 square y1 square z1 square x1 square y1 square z1 square minus a square is equal to 0. Minus a square is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in k. Give number for this. If am I correct, it is 3. It is 3 is quadratic in k. Is quadratic in k. It gives therefore two values of k. If we the two separate values of k, then what happens? There will be 2 points of intersection. But the two values of k given by this must coincide, because R is the only point of contact of the line and the sphere. Therefore 3 is a quadratic in k, and the two values of k given by 3 must coincide. When the two values of the two roots of the quadratic equation coincide, what is the quadratic equation, general equation? Ax square bx plus c is 0. When two roots coincide, discriminant is 0. B square minus 4ac is 0. Or b square is equal to 4ac, two roots coincide. Discriminant is 0, then two roots coincide. Now, what is b here? B means coefficient of k. B means coefficient of k. And this is a, because quadratic equation k. This is c. This is a, b, this is c. Therefore, b square is ac means, what is b square? 4 into xx1 yy1 plus zz1 minus a square b square whole square is equal to 4 into ac x square plus y square plus z square 4a, c is x1 square y1 square z1 square minus a square, or xx1 plus y1 z1 minus a square whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square into x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square. Now this is the condition for 2 points of intersection coincide, and this gives the equation for the locus of the tangent line, and this is therefore equation of the enveloping cone. This is the equation of the enveloping cone. Now this equation is simple here. X square plus y square plus z square, correct? X square plus y square plus z square into this. Am I right? Last step. X square y square z square minus a square is there here, because what was that equation? Equation k square into equation 3, refer this equation 3, k square into x square plus y square plus z square minus a square plus 2k into xx1 plus yy1 plus zz1 minus a square plus x1 square plus y1 square plus z1 square minus a square. In all the three terms a square must be there. So what happens? B square is equal to 4a, a means minus a square is there, correct? Yes, here it is there. 4xx1 yy1 zz1 minus a square is equal to, is it correct? Yes, x square plus y square plus z square minus a square must be there, correct? Say just there is a correction here. I think I left this term here, this term. You see the simplification there. By it, this term was not there, minus a square. Now it is quadratic equation in k. By rewriting, we get this as a quadratic equation in k. It is 3. Now it is ax square bx plus c form. This is a and this is b and this is c. So b square, what is b square? This square is b square, 2 into this whole square, 4ac. So this is equation of tangent, that is equation of enveloping cone of the sphere. Now to write this equation we have a simple method here, because what is this? This is nothing but equation of the tangent plane. This is equation of the tangent plane to the sphere at the point x1 y1 z1. You know this, it is the equation of the tangent plane, and this is the equation of the sphere, and this is equation of the sphere where x y z are replaced by x1 y1 z1. So for shortcut method we have to write the equation of the enveloping sphere. We have s1 is equal to t square. What is s? Equation of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square, or minus a square is 0. What is s1? S1 is you have to replace x, y, z by given point, that is vertex. x1 square, y1 square, z1 square minus a square. What is t? T is equation of the tangent plane. What is this? This is nothing but tangent plane. Equation of the tangent plane to the sphere at the point x1, y1, z1. Now go through that derivation again, because only this one you make this correction, and minus a square is there, minus a square, it is equal to this. Now is it correct? This is s1 is equal to t square. That is the equation of tangent, that is equation of the enveloping cone, is given by s1 is equal to t square. What is s? Given equation. S1 means where x, y, z are replaced by x1, y1, z1, and t means equation of the tangent plane. Now see the problem. Find the enveloping cone of the sphere. Take this problem. Find the enveloping cone of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 with its vertex 1 1 1 with its vertex 1 1 1. Find the equation of the enveloping cone of the sphere x square y square z square plus 2x minus 2y is equal to 2 with its vertex at 1 1 1. Suppose S is equation of the sphere x square y square z square plus 2x minus 2y minus 2 is 0, and S1 is, you have to replace this by x y z by 1 1 1 1 square 1 square 1 square plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So what is this? Simplify. 1 it is. And T is, capital T is equation of the tangent plane. What is the equation of the tangent plane? X x1 y y1 z z1 plus u into x plus x1. It is 2u. What is u? 1. X plus 1 plus or minus v into x plus x1. What is this? It is 2v. V is minus 1 into x plus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 0 because there is no z term. Therefore, it is 2x or x x1 y y1 z z1 u into x plus x1 v into y plus y1 w into z plus z1 is 0, but w is absent here. X plus x 2x and y cancels. X plus 2x plus z, 2x plus z, what is the constant term? Minus 2 is equal to 0. This is T. Am I correct? 2x plus z minus 2. Therefore, equation of the, what is that? Enveloping cone of the sphere is S1 is equal to T square. Therefore, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 2y minus 2 into S1 is 1 here. S1 is 1 is equal to 2x plus z minus 2 whole square. This is the equation of enveloping cone of the sphere. Of course you can simplify this. Right hand side is 4x square plus z square plus 4 plus 4xz minus 4z minus 8x minus 8x. And if you simplify this, minus 8x, what do you get? At this step only, you can take this step only as an answer. This is the answer. But if further simplification is required, you can simplify like this. 4x square minus x square, 3x square. And y square term is not there. Minus y square. Z square term cancels here. Correct? Cancels. And x term or xy term, first we take xy, there is no xy term, plus 4xz minus 2x plus 2y minus 4z minus 2x minus 10x it is, correct? Minus 10x minus 4z. What is the constant term? Minus x square y square 3x square minus y square plus 4xz minus 10x plus 2y minus 4z. Constant term is plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the enveloping cone of the sphere. I think all of you followed the derivation of enveloping cone of the sphere and what is the definition of an enveloping cone of the sphere and how to apply this formula. SS1 is T square. Okay, continue the next topic, that is right circular cylinder, in the next video. Before that I give some examples as exercise. Okay, I continue in the next video.